I wonder if you use the little smart search feature on any of the styles that you've done, if it comes up with like similar stuff, or
Oh,
if it's
interesting. Let's see. Let's go in here, and if we did this. Oh, look at that.
ah
Look at that.
ha. They've been
Nugget.
listening.
That's a nugget right there. I
There it
guarantee nobody knows
is.
about that right now.
There we go.
That's sick. There you go.
I like that.
That's
Now
the
it opens
hack.
up everything.
That's
Yeah.
the hack right there.
Ooh, I like that one on the right with the pink. The three, that one right there.
This one.
There's a
That
lot
one
of
looks
gems.
fun.
These ones are much, yeah, because then it's like, hey, let me find the one style I like, and let me find the distant, like the close cousins to it here. Yeah, because these are
You might want to
all
re-show everyone what you just did there. Just
okay.
'cause
Let's do that again. So, to your point, Rory, what we did was jumped into a style code, right? Went to the smart search functionality, right? So this was always a hidden little game changer because you can do this with images too, right? And that's what it defaults to here. So for example, if I click this and then I click the smart search, it's going to show me other Nike shoes that are somewhat in that ballpark. And I've always found that the quality is better when you do the smart search versus doing the search up here in the top, right? For Explore. Now, what we just unlocked though was then changing this tab and selecting styles now. And so now it's taking that close connection from a style standpoint and applying it, which
Awesome.
is pretty great for an on the spot little discovery here.